I'm sure there's a lot of Oppo Find X2 Pro review out there, and the sleeping Find X2 5G may be missed out from the spotlight. Here I got a unit of the Oppo Find X2 to unbox and share my impression of the device. But first, let me explain the main differences between these two devices. Both sharing very identical designs, and of course the Oppo Find X2 Pro will have upper hands like bigger storage, larger batteries, and updated cameras. The rest are pretty much the same. Let's continue with the unboxing. The Oppo Find X2 comes in a premium design box with glitter shine on the front. Malaysia will only get one configuration, which is a 12GB of RAM and 256GB onboard storage. Inside we were welcomed with another black box with carbon-like textures. Inside the box, the usual SIM ejector, some documentations, and a TPU case. Here's the device, and let's put it aside and check out what's other inside the box. It comes with an Oppo SuperVOOC Flash Charge 2.0 adapters that offer crazy 65W output. This is the USB Type-C earphone, and this is the USB Type-C cable with yellow accent. Let's roll the spec sheet while waiting for it to boot. On the side of the device, there's a color-coded power buttons. On the rear are the triple camera setup. At the bottom is the loudspeaker, USB Type-C, and SIM card slot. It supported dual SIM and no storage expansion. On the left are the volume rocker buttons. The Oppo Find X2 features 6.7-inch OLED display with 120Hz Ultra Vision screen with resolution of 3164 by 1440. It is a 3K QHD Plus that runs on 120Hz even at the highest resolution settings. The display can go as far as 1200 nits and offer 10 bits of color depth. It also supports 100% DCI P3 colors gamut and 5 million by 1 contrast ratio. This brings a rating of A+ by DisplayMate. Oppo Find X2 has a dedicated O1 Ultra Vision engine chip that can upscale a lower refresh rate video up to 120Hz with HDR for better viewing experience like sports and matches. The great display is paired with Dolby Atmos certified dual stereo speakers that offer an immersive movie watching experience. Under the hood is the most powerful and latest processor from Qualcomm, Snapdragon 865, and it has dual mode 5G. The entire user experience on the new ColorOS 7.1 is clean, highly customizable, and offer useful features like Swipe Edge for shortcut. You can also pin apps on your RAM, so you keep the app locked in the RAM. This is advantages of having 12GB of RAM. It scored over 500,000 points on AnTuTu benchmark, and on Geekbench, the single core scored 914 points and multi-core 3171 points. The high refresh rate display also offers high touch sampling at 240Hz, where gameplay would become more responsive and accurate. Coming to cameras, the Find X2 only equipped with last year's Sony IMX58-6, but the photo outputs are way better than any smartphone that uses a SIM camera sensor. I believe ISP on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and Oppo camera apps plays a very important role in better camera output. Here are some photos taken with the Oppo Find X2, and I will let you be the judge on the photo output. I did a video test on a separate video where you can view it later at the end screen of this video. The Oppo Find X2 is packed with just a decent size of battery at 4200mAh battery. It offers a 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 adapter that can fully charge the Find X2 in just 38 minutes. The Oppo Find X2 has nailed what a true flagship smartphone this year, competing with big boys like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and maybe even better in certain areas. The Find X2 may lacking off some features comparing to the Pro variants, but shortfall wasn't much. So what do you think about the Oppo Find X2? to leave a comment down below. A more comprehensive review in written format will be available over at theideamobile.com. To give us a thumbs up if you like these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so, and hit the bell icons to get notified whenever we upload a new video. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.